90's night here at the ballpark. Forrest Gump, otherwise known as Scooter Jeanette's 90's night at the ballpark. That is a good look.
With a box of chocolates. That's a really good likeness. Wow.
That is.
That's awesome.
90's night theme continues, and there's Hernan's look.
Yeah. Max Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear. Yeah, I'm sorry. Well, not good. I mean,
well,
I knew one of them. I messed up the first name.
You're half right.
It's been a while since my kids have watched that.
Scooter Jeanette, pretty impressive as Forrest Gump. What do you think here? Kramer. I mean, that's your favorite show.
Yeah. I mean,
Seinfeld reference, huh?
Little Goodfellas.
Yeah.
Martin Maldonado.
Wayne's World. Ramon Flores. Excellent.
90's night. Fresh Prince. Jonathan VR.